ways to earn money while also learning new skills? Look no further than Learn and Earn applications. With these apps, you can expand your knowledge and make some extra cash at the same time. From language learning to coding, there's an app for almost everything. One of the best Learn and Earn apps available is Udemy. It offers thousands of courses taught by experts in their industries, allowing you to learn new skills and improve your resume. Plus, you can earn certificates for completing courses, making you more attractive to potential employers. Another great option is Swagbucks. This app not only offers surveys and cashback opportunities, but it also has a wide variety of online courses that pay you for completing them. And let's not forget about Duolingo. This popular language learning app has a feature called Duolingo Plus that allows you to earn virtual currency by completing lessons, which can then be exchanged for real money. So why not use your free time to learn something new and add some extra cash to your wallet? Try out some of these amazing Learn and Earn apps today.